people. But in the zoo, where these animals are going to stay here their entire lives, they can be trained to do really cool tricks and also learn really cool behaviors. And I swear I'm going to get him to jump one of these days. Usually they are very excited about this food. Alright, I'm going to try one more time to get him to jump. If not, I'll feed it to somebody that's a little bit hungrier, but he's... Alright, there we go. Let's give these alligators and Jimmy a round of applause. They did a great job today.
Way to go, Jimmy.
Good job, alligators. Now, we do have another show coming up at the top of the next hour. That's going to be at 2 o'clock, another reptile handling show.
I'll give you some away.
Another zookeeper will be bringing out some really cool animals for you guys to learn about. At the end of the show, you get a chance to pet a smaller baby version of an American alligator. So that's 15 on your park map at 2 o'clock, which is the end of this boardwalk. Also keep in mind, in that same area by the hyena exhibit, you get a chance to hold a baby alligator for a photograph. So definitely check that out, really cool opportunity. If you guys have any questions for me, my name's Michelle. I'm going to be exiting right through that area by the snack bar at the end of this boardwalk. Feel free to stop me and chat for a while. Otherwise, you guys have a great afternoon, and thanks for joining us here at Alligator Adventure. Oh, thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you.